Kính thưa quý vị đại biểu, bà con cộng đồng, người Việt Nam tại Phần Lan thân mến, tôi rất vinh dự được có mặt tại hôm nay cùng quý vị. Thay mặt cho công ty Orient Trade và Globe Station và các nhà tài trợ khác của chương trình này, thì chúng tôi rất tự hào và rất hân hạnh được tài trợ cho chương trình rất là có ý nghĩa ngày hôm nay. Để cho tất cả mọi người có thể cùng được theo dõi, thì tôi xin phép tiếp tục nói một vài lời bằng tiếng Anh. Her Excellency Ambassador Phạm Thị Thanh Bình, Miss Đỗ Thị Bích Hằng, Chairwoman of Busy Vietnam and the Head of Organizing Committee, distinguished guests, dear friends, it's a great honor to be with you today at Vietnam Day, a celebration of friendship, culture, and the bright future of Vietnam and Finland. I would like to thank Her Excellency the Ambassador and Ms. Đỗ Thị Bích Hằng and the organizing committee, and to the vibrant Vietnamese and Finnish communities here for making this event possible. My own journey reflects the bridge that we celebrate today. I was born in Vietnam, but Finland is where I learned about business building, leadership, and the art of surviving the winter. Today, I serve as the COO of Orient Trade Group, a leading provider of Asian beauty products in Europe. Our company operates in more than 25 countries, but Finland was one of our very first markets, and it remains close to my heart. For many years, our company has had the privilege of serving Finland's respected retailers with many latest beauty innovations from Asia. As we grew our investment in marketing, we launched Glow Station, a showroom where people can experience newest beauty products from leading brands from Asia. The very first Glow Station in the world opened here in Finland. Born in a Finnish winter, it carries with it the creativity and the spirit of this country, and I much cherish the collaboration, the cross-cultural collaboration. Today, Glow Station has expanded across several countries in Europe, but its roots remains here in Finland. And just here inside Kamppi stands Berel, one of Finland's pioneers in Asian beauty and now part of Orient Trade family. I'm proud that Berel and Glow Station continues to serve Finnish customers and build bridges across culture. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and trust to the people and society of Finland. The winters are cold, but people warm. And to the Vietnamese community in Finland, whose warmth and vitality have been a constant source of strength and connection to my heritage. On behalf of Orient Trade and Glow Station and other sponsors, we are honored to serve as sponsor of Vietnam Day 2025, and we are committed to support building an even stronger bridge between our communities. I hope this festival will become a tradition, a lasting one, that celebrates our friendship and deepens our cultural ties. Thank you and happy Vietnam Day.
Thank you for your sharing.